Hey guys, so for tonight we're gonna make pumpkin pies. Pumpkin pie, yeah. So
What?
you're loud.
No.
I said you're loud. And then I got you're doing it on purpose. As I was saying, we're gonna make pumpkin pies and we have our crust ready. I'm just gonna pop these in the oven for like 15 minutes and I made this from scratch. Yeah, tell them. You get your filter too. You're so pretty. Come here.
Oh damn.
So yeah, hold on.
Bad bitch. Oh.
Hey. So while we're waiting for our crust, we're gonna make the pie filling. Okay. So we're gonna need pumpkin puree, 100% pure pumpkin. I got this big. That's why I'm making two pies. Yeah. Next, condensed milk, organic condensed milk. I think I'm gonna use 2 condensed milk, but it's gonna be too
Is
sweet.
that organic?
Oh my goodness! Is adding 3 eggs.
Yoink. Yoink.
Should I use 4 eggs?
Yoink. Well, you're making 2 pies. Do you think 2 eggs per pie? Or
Yeah, add another one, please. Actually, we gotta use 4 eggs.
yes, it was 4 eggs the whole time.
And we're gonna put some nutmeg. I don't measure, so whatever.
However you're feeling.
Yeah,
Oh
Measure.
shit.
I got it. Cinnamon. And lastly, ginger. It's gonna smell like
Do I
pumpkin.
still have the filter?
Yeah, it's gonna smell like pumpkin spice. You know that?
Smell like pumpkin spice. Is that what pumpkin spice is? Cinnamon and nutmeg.
And ginger. I'm gonna put some vanilla extract.
You recording?
Mm.
Oh shit, you're.
And this is red. Look at these. So our crusts are ready. So excited. This is my first time making pumpkin pie. I hope this turns out good. Also, you need to let them cool down a little bit first, the crust, okay? Before pouring the filling. We're gonna bake this for 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And we're gonna lower the heat for 350 and bake them for half an hour. Okay, I'll be back when all of these are done. Bye.
We got one over here, one over here.
The pies are done. Ta-da! So perfect. Did I do a great job?
It's nicely done. But it tastes pretty good.
Ah!
Sweet.
So, actually, I'm gonna say it again. It's finally done. And I'm gonna take a video whenever we're gonna try this.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe tomorrow because they're still kind of hot. Warm. And who wants to eat these?
Cold.
Yeah.
Super cold. Ice cold.
No.
Not quite.
Yeah.
34 degrees.
See you whenever. Bye. See you, bye.
Come on. Open her up.
So, it's been a few hours. Many hours.
Yeah. We did it like 12 o'clock last night, right?
Yeah.
Like 11?
Ta-da!
It's been 12 hours.
Get our pies. We're gonna try it, okay? Ooh, it's so pretty. How do you cut it? Like that?
Well, yes. You just cut it normally, right? And you do these big slices. And if someone wants a smaller piece, they can cut in like one of the bigger ones. Tastes like pumpkin pie.
Well, it is pumpkin pie. Try it. I don't really like pies, you know that? Mm.
I don't know what it is, but it tastes funny.
How is it funny? Did you laugh? Well, I don't know how pumpkin pies taste like. Or, yeah.
It's pretty close.
Because I never tried one before. I never ate one before.
You should have a Costco one. They're fucking really good.
Go date Costco then. I like it. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe because I only put like 1 can of condensed milk instead of 2, so it's not that sweet. But I like that.
It's
I
not
like
supposed
it.
to be super sweet.
Good. I'll rate it. Actually, that's it for today because I know he's gonna give me like probably 4 out of 10. So 8, 7. It doesn't give 7. See, it doesn't give 10. So
It wasn't perfect.
exactly. Well, it's always not perfect. So bye. Say bye.
Bye.
This is my last time gonna make you pie. You know that.
No!